In today's data-driven world, organizations face overwhelming amounts of data. Traditional analytics are no longer enough to extract meaningful insights. That's where autonomous AI agents come in. These agents revolutionize how we work with data. They automate data ingestion, preparation, analysis, and reporting. By doing so, they allow analysts to focus on strategy rather than manual tasks. Autonomous AI agents incorporate advanced technologies like machine learning and natural language processing. They simplify complex processes. This makes it easier for organizations to adapt to the rapid changes in data. The evolution from centralized data warehouses to intelligent autonomous agents is crucial. No longer do we rely on static reporting. Instead, these agents generate proactive insights, effectively managing workflows independently. So, what are the main components of autonomous AI agents? They consist of perception engines, pre-processing modules, decision logic, and monitoring layers. Together, these elements enable the agents to automatically detect anomalies and optimize processes in real time. Let's look at how they operate step by step. First, they ingest diverse data types from various sources. Then, they process this data, ensuring quality through cleaning and normalization. Next, they analyze the data to generate insights, making recommendations based on learned patterns. Finally, they monitor the results and recalibrate as necessary. Collaborative frameworks allow these agents to work alongside human analysts. While they handle routine tasks, humans can focus on more strategic decision-making. This synergy enhances the overall efficiency of data operations. However, challenges exist. Organizations must address ethical considerations regarding biases and compliance with regulations. Establishing guidelines and governance frameworks is essential for the responsible deployment of these agents. To summarize, autonomous AI agents are transforming data analysis. They streamline processes, enhance insights, and support strategic decision-making. Organizations must embrace these technologies while ensuring ethical standards and governance to fully realize their potential. Take action by exploring how autonomous agents can enhance your organization's analytics. Assess your readiness and start integrating these systems into your data strategy today.